Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.
Reggae Sumfest 2022, and I'm here with the lovely Kamila McDonald. Now, what tour we do, Mike? Where they are working? What is your work? What is your work? The Reggae Sumfest feed?
We are, yes.
Live.
We're it live.
So you're here for the entire duration?
The entire duration. My day are from 6 o'clock.
Oh, wow. So you were here with the rain and the puddle and everything and all of that?
The whole of my shoes, them mud up.
Oh my God! Are we actually looking at Ishawna on stage with what we call it? Is the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, and Christopher Tufton? Yeah, man, she did a whole cutout.
Is it?
Jesus, Pim! Oh wow! This is really live. She has been missing in action for quite a while now, so she really is going to bring it.
She's coming back.
Bigger and better.
Yeah.
Oh wow!
Look at that.
Okay, this is.
Oh, she is.
No, who is that right there? So Jesus crime. You can use the phone and video that for me.
Jeez,
You have a camera on the other side, it might be easier. Behind you, you have a camera behind you. Behind you, around so?
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zoom in.
My gosh. Wow.
Wait, I want to go on like this is actually live.
This is actually live.
Alright, you want to guess? Let's just see if we can guess.
Oh
This is a live
gosh.
reaction. Who you think is behind it?
Jeez, I don't even know. I'm afraid.
Another politician? Is it Joe?
She's calling everybody out. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, right. Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Oh. Oh. Hello. Yellow.
I'm nervous. Which song is she singing? I'm nervous.
Oh.
All right, we're going to get back with this interview.
Yeah,
Okay.
we couldn't ignore that part, right? That was a whole thing.
All right, so Kamila, who are you most excited to actually see? I know you're there at work, but are you a fan of any particular artist that's on the lineup this year?
Absolutely. Well, first of all, just everybody. Being here is just exciting. You know what I mean? Just you know what the Sumfest vibe is like.
Yes.
We've been doing this
Another
over the
first
years.
year, I regularly.
You understand?
Yes.
So like the last 2 years, it's like, what's going on? What's missing? So being here, I think Ding Dong for me was it.
Yes, because we did the bounce together.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
We did do the bounce.
You taught me the bounce.
Wow, look at that. I was a person.
You taught me the bounce before I even knew what the bounce was.
And I was a good teacher, don't it?
You are an excellent teacher. You would be proud of me. I've been doing it all night.
So you can teach me how to cook some vegan meals now, because I think it's only a matter of time. Right?
You deserve it.
That's a swap.
You
I
deserve
have
it.
some more dance to teach you. And you can just teach me
Yes.
some new, chefings. Okay, so I have to ask the question here.
Yeah.
If you weren't doing this and had to be an artist, what do you think would be an artist name? What do you think would be an artist name? Yeah, man, just tell me. Oh my God, I don't think I just said that on stage. What was going on a while ago? What did Ishawna just do a while ago?
Oh, what did she do?
Oh my God, what did Ishawna
We
just do?
We missed it. What happened?
I saw a picture of the cross, angry and miserable person that she had the cutout on the floor, and she was over the cutout stooping. And I was just hoping that which part of her body was Jesus crime.
Watch kitty face.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Watch kitty face. Oh shit. Yeah, this interview is all about.
Oh my God, you can't video Miss Kitty Face over there, so this might be a meme.
Watch kitty face.
Look at us having live reactions right here. Jesus, Pim.
Wow.
Well
then.
Zoom in.
What you?
Oh my God.
Jesus, she don't even know what fish say. Jesus.
Oh my God.
Wow, she's speechless. I think we all are. Literally, I turned around and everybody's mouth was like this.
No.
I was like, what did I miss?
Look a while ago, I see something and I say, oh my God, Ishawna.
I didn't see it.
Why is
I just saw everybody's mouth.
You're going to be interviewing Ishawna later, right?
I guess.
Oh God. So I forgot to ask.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I forgot to try to find a way
let me ask.
Yeah, I forgot to try.
As a seasoned journalist, what do you think I should ask her?
You have to come in, man. You have to keep it PG, you have to keep it cute.
Okay.
So you have to go say something like, Ishawna, I noticed that while on stage you had a had some time for a bit of stupation over the Groundzilla. What was that all about? And are you here for the controversy that is about to erupt on social media?
All right, I'm going to word for word.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask that exact question.
Anyway, I'm going to know where we can go to interview right now because this is just totally random.
Where do we go from here?
Two tired hosts right here working at Reggae Sumfest 2022.
Matching.
We're
Okay.
matching because I always
And all these
compliment
things.
mustard and all of them vibes here. Okay, so until next time, when I'll be teaching Kamila another dance move, and she'll be teaching something, giving me something vegan
Some
to consume,
tips,
so I
yeah.
can kind of cut down on the belly.
Yeah,
Okay.
You're looking good though.
Thank you. May I try now? May I try to live up to you?
Good to see you.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.